welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10 III and let me show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we can open camera settings. Now at the second place we have still image size option, so let's pick it, and here we can manage aspect ratio connected with quality in megapixels. We are in 4:3 with 12 megapixels. Let's move to 16:9 with 9 megapixels. Now when we move back to camera preview, we can see that the viewfinder has changed to a little bit longer one than 4:3. Another tap to right corner button, still image size, and we can pick 1:1 with 9 megapixels. So for now we can see here square camera aspect ratio, and let's move once again to right corner settings to still image size and move to 21:9 aspect ratio with 7 megapixels. So for now we have full camera frame, full aspect ratio. And of course when we move here once again you can go to whatever you need. Now let me pick again 4:3 with 12 megapixels. And this is how it works and looks like to remind you. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.